Yes, sir. You can start the sessions.
Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Ashwita, your homework is correct. What is question number 9? Not question number 9. The other question.
Not done, sir.
Why? At least you should have tried, no?
Yes, sir, tried, but I did not understand question properly.
Okay. What about Sharat? Okay, don't worry. We'll try it now. Very easy thing. But if people, what call it, some extra calculations in process program, or else it is very easy. Can you tell me the question?
Plus or minus
Plus or minus
root a square minus b square,
root a square minus b square,
comma 0,
comma
0,
0.
x by a cos alpha,
Sir, your voice is not clear. Hmm.
plus y by b sin alpha equals to 1. Then what is product of perpendiculars, sir? Question.
Just okay. We continue the class. Just a minute. I am taking some water to drink. Is my voice now okay? Is it breathing still?
Yes, sir. Now it's fine, sir.
Okay. Just making sure I'm in a network where there is a lot of network. Just a minute. Now we have got a line equation. First is if I explain this question to everybody, those who are present for the class. Now we have got a line equation. Of this line equation, we have to find the product of the perpendiculars. Of this line equation, you have to find the product of the perpendiculars. So what we are supposed to do is, first what I will do is, I'll take the product of these perpendiculars and I will do it. Okay. First, we have to simplify the equation. Correct now? Hello. Let it be. The equation is like this only. To make this one into a normal equation, okay, in the form of an what is this equation? Normal form equation. What I should do? I should divide both the side by. I should divide both the side by what? Nobody is answering a question. What is this? Hmm? What we should do? Hello, dear students, are you here? Here. Now, if I take this equation, my equation is in the form of, okay. If you don't want to convert into normal form, no problem. If I'm asking how to convert to normal form, you are still silent. You don't know what are the steps to be done. Hmm. So I'll take this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what is my a value now? If you compare this equation with this equation, what is my a value?
Cos alpha by A.
Pardon?
Cos alpha by A.
Ignesh, what you are telling, I can't hear Ignesh. Just a minute. Okay, you must speak now.
Cos alpha by A.
Just a minute. So x value is not just cos alpha. X value will be, sorry, a value will be cos alpha by a into x plus b value will be sin alpha by b into y minus 1 is equal to 0. So for this one, my first line is I have to find two perpendiculars. First perpendicular is my line is passing through the perpendicular from the line a square minus b square is equal to 0. From another line I have to find is I have to find the perpendicular value with minus of a square minus b square comma 0. So therefore the perpendicular value this one is, so what happens here if I take this perpendicular value, the perpendicular value will be ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to 0. So that will be a value is what is this called? Cos alpha by a into root of a square minus b square plus 0 into minus 1 whole divided by root of a square plus b square. Root of a square plus b square. Therefore, what is my root of a square plus b square? My a value is cos square alpha by a square plus sin square alpha by b square root. So like this, I have to find the perpendicular distance of this second point. That is from the point minus of root of a square minus b square comma 0. For this one, my perpendicular distance will be is equal to minus cos alpha by a into root of a square minus b square minus 1 whole divided by again root of cos square alpha by a square plus sin square alpha by b square. So I got the two perpendiculars. Now what they're telling to find the product of two perpendiculars. Therefore, if I take this as a P1, P2 and P1, for this perpendicular I'm taking as P1, this perpendicular I'm taking as P2. Therefore, P1 into P2 is equal to, what is my P1 value? P1 value is, what is my P1 value? Okay. This is my P1 value. Correct now. So my P1 value is cos alpha by A root of A square minus B square minus 1 whole divided by root of cos square alpha by A square plus sin square alpha by B square into, so this will become as minus of cos alpha by root of A square minus B square by A minus 1 whole divided by root of cos square alpha by A square plus sin square alpha by B square. This whole magnitude. So this will be is equal to, we know that mod A into mod B is equal to mod of AB. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
So basing on this property, we will be doing this solution. So I will take both the thing in the same mod and I'll simplify this one. So what happens? Look carefully. That is equal to root of A square minus B square cos alpha by A plus 1 minus 1. This whole divided by root of cos square alpha by A square plus sin square alpha by B square into, this is equal to minus of A square minus B square by A cos alpha minus 1 whole divided by root of cos square alpha by A square plus sin square alpha by B square. Now if you look carefully out, now I have to do multiplication. First I will do multiplication of denominator, then I come to multiplication of numerator. So this will become as so multiply denominator will become as root 2 into root 2 will become root 2 whole square and become 2. Correct? No? Because here both are same, so it will become as what is the becoming as it will become as cos square alpha by A square plus sin square alpha by B square. This is the denominator. Now numerator. multiply, pointwise multiplication. Root into plus into minus root a square minus b square into root a square minus b square will be equal to a square minus b square by a square into cos square alpha. Correct? That is equal to minus of root a square minus b square cos alpha by a plus root of a square minus b square by a cos alpha minus into minus plus 1. So this one get cancels. So what is left out is what is the okay? Modulus is there, but I have to go now because we know that mod A into mod B is equal to mod of A. So that modulus is there. I'm taking this modulus for everything. So this will be is equal to now minus of A square plus B square minus of A square minus B square by A square into cos square alpha minus 1. This whole divided by, I'll take the LCM. LCM is A square B square. This is equal to B square cos square alpha plus A square sin square alpha. This mod is there. Now this, if you simplify this one, I take again LCM in the numerator. Numerator LCM is equal to A square minus of A square minus B square into cos alpha minus of this is there. Is it minus 1 or plus 1 in the top? Plus 1.
S1.
Plus 1. Plus 1. So it will be plus A square. So this will be whole divided by. So if I'll take this as cross multiplication. That is equal to A square B square whole divided by. What is left out in the denominator is B square cos square alpha plus A square sin square alpha. This A square get cancels. Mod is there. Now simplify this one. Now A square is there. I will take this one. A square take in front. So it will become plus A square minus A square minus A square. Okay. With this, what we'll do is we'll multiply this one. Multiplication sign is coming again now. We'll multiply this one. What happens is it become as A square B square minus of A square minus B square cos alpha. Correct now. A square minus B square of cos alpha or else let the B square be there. We will simplify this part because if you simplify again, you have to take B square common, B to the power of 4, etc. and 4. So we'll simplify this one. So we'll simplify this one. This will become as A square minus A square cos alpha minus B square cos alpha. It will become as plus denominator is that into B square by B square cos alpha plus A square sin alpha. This modulus is the modulus. So if I simplify this one, see, this one I take a square common, a square if I take common is 1 minus cos, this is cos square alpha. 1 minus cos square alpha plus b square cos square alpha, that into b square by b square cos square alpha plus a square sin square alpha mod. So this is equal to a square 1 minus cos square alpha is equal to
Sin square alpha.
sin square alpha plus b square cos square alpha into b square by b square cos square alpha plus a square sin square alpha mod is there. Here, this one and this one get cancels. So what is left out is mod of b square, that is equal to b square. Since the length of the perpendicular is positive, we should take positive only. Don't take negative. Ashrita, did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Where did you go wrong?
Expanding, sir.
Ah, you have to go slowly, expansion and so on. This question was asked in, I
Yes, sir.
told no, yesterday itself it was asked in IIT exam.
Yes, sir.
A very easy question, but the time consumes in what is called as a simplification. And with regard to this one also, we'll get a mod of b square. This will be equal to plus or minus b square. Last time, yesterday also, if I told one more question, yesterday we did like this, plus or minus 2 we got. So option has got both plus b square, option has got minus b square. By chance, if you go for another option, plus or minus b square also they will be given. By chance, we take this option, your answer is wrong. Because this is the answer. Because we know that always the distance, length, all these things are positive entity. Yesterday also I told you. Hmm. Okay. You understood this question now? All right, students, understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go to the next question. Next question is easy compared to this question. This is in the same type only. So P and Q are the perpendicular distances from origin to a straight line. P and Q are the perpendicular distances from origin to the straight line. X secant theta minus y cosecant theta is equal to A. Then x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to A cos 1t. P and Q are the perpendicular distances from origin to the straight line. X cos theta minus y, sorry, x secant theta minus y cosecant theta is equal to A. X cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to A cos theta. So, yeah, by solving, you have to find the relationship between P and Q. The first thing is, similarly, I'll give this question as a homework question. Is it okay for you to solve? Hello, dear students, is it okay for you to solve? Hello.
Sir, can you explain?
That means there is one line, like yesterday only, I told no. Here is one line, and there is one more line from that. Let us not. There's one more line like this, there's one more line like this. From this line to the perpendicular distance from the origin, this perpendicular distance from the origin. This is, let us say, this is P, and this is Q. They're telling this is one line equation. Let us say this line equation is of this line comes from this line. These two lines, perpendicular distances, they told this line is P, this line is Q, they told. We have to find the relationship between P and Q. First, find the P, perpendicular distance, then find the Q. Okay. If you're finding it difficult, I will do it. No problem. Paras, will you be able to try it? Will you give it a try?
Yes, sir.
Paras, if you want to do me, I will do it. No problem. Okay, let me do it. I think only you are telling yes. Vignesh and others are keeping quite down and so on. So first we'll take the first one, this one. T is equal to 0 minus 0 minus A. Correct, no? Here it will be okay. Mod is coming only in top now. Mod of minus A whole divided by root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Just a moment. Plus cosecant square theta. That is equal to mod A divided by this one will become as 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. Root is there. There is no modulus for denominator, only for numerator. So mod A is equal to, this will become as cos square theta plus sin square theta whole divided by cos square theta into sin square theta. That is equal to mod A divided by, this will be equal to 1 divided by cos square theta into sin square theta. Root is there. So if you take out the root, it will become as mod A. So you'll get plus or minus, yes or no? Allow.
Yes, sir.
So for the plus or minus, I'll take mod, correct, no? So I'll take mod here because of 1 cos theta to sin theta. Do you know why I took mod? Because when you remove square root, you are getting plus or minus, correct? For that reason, I'm taking mod. Therefore, what happens? The entire thing will become as uh, mod A. If I cross multiply, it will become as cos theta sin theta by mod 1, that is equal to mod A cos theta sin theta. Therefore, what is my perpendicular distance P value? P value is equal to A sin theta cos theta. If I simplify this one, this is nothing but A by 2. What I do is I'll multiply and divide by 2. I multiply and divide by 2, so I will get 2 sin theta into cos theta. That is the formula of half angle. Sin, multiple angle. If I multiply and divide by 2 here, this will be equal to A by 2 into sin 2 theta. Correct, no? If my P value is equal to A by 2 into sin 2 theta. So for next, I have to find cos, for cos I have to find. So for cos I am to find now. Therefore, for cos it is equal to Q is equal to, sorry, not cos, for second line equation Q is equal to 0 plus 0 minus A, it is cos 2 theta, not cos 20, cos 2 theta. Question is slightly given wrong. It is cos 2, not cos 20. So modulus is only for top estimate. It is 0 minus 0 minus A cos 2 theta whole divided by denominator is root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Down it will come cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Root of 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, top mod of minus A cos 2 theta. Because of mod, the minus will become plus. Therefore, it will become as A cos 2 theta. So I got P and Q. So I have to find the relationship between P and Q. Therefore, my P is A by 2 sin 2 theta. My Q is equal to A cos 2 theta. So I have to square on both the sides. So it will be P square is equal to A square by 4 sin square theta. Q square is equal to A square cos square 2 theta. 2 theta. So to make simplify, what I will do with this equation, I'll multiply 4 on both the sides. Becomes 4p square is equal to a square sin square 2 theta. Q square is equal to a square cos square 2 theta. Now add both the equations. 4p square plus q square is equal to a square sin square 2 theta plus a square cos square 2 theta. Take a square common. To take a square common, sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. This is equal to how much? 1. Therefore, yes, therefore the relationship between perpendicular distance P and Q is equal to 4p square plus q square is equal to a square. Therefore, the relationship between the perpendicular distance is 4p square plus q square is equal to a square. Do you understand? Students, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we go for the next question. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to copy it down or I'll copy it down? Okay, we go to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Next question is, if P and Q are the lengths of the perpendicular line line, if P and Q are the lengths of the perpendicular line line. Okay, later so,
Sir, your voice is not clear.
again they are telling that P and Q are the lengths of the perpendicular from origin. That means they are giving perpendicular distance again. P and Q are the lengths of the perpendicular from origin plus straight line x secant alpha plus y cosecant alpha is equal to tan x cos alpha minus y sin alpha is equal to 10. So what they're telling is x cosecant y x secant alpha plus y cosecant alpha is equal to 10. Then again they're telling is x cos alpha minus y sin alpha is equal to 10. Then what is the value of 4p square plus q square? Then what is the value of 4p square plus q square? So again here we have to find the perpendicular distance of one line, second line, then we have to simplify it. That is P1. Let us take this P and Q. Now P is equal to what? Tell me the perpendicular distance of P. 0 plus 0 minus 10 by root of secant square alpha plus cosecant square alpha. This will be equal to mod of minus 10 divided by secant square alpha plus cosecant square alpha. We know it 1 by but if I take everything root, everything if you take means just a minute. 1 by cos theta sin theta. Correct now? Allow.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This will be is equal to 10 by 10 cos theta sin theta. If I simplify this one, I'll take this one as uh, uh, 10 into 2 by 2 cos theta sin theta. Then this will become as 5 sin 2 theta. Correct now? Therefore, my p value is 5 sin 2 theta. Now we have to find the q value. Q value is equal to, what is the q value that is again 0 minus 0 minus 10 whole divided by root of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is equal to mod of minus 10 by 1, that is equal to 10. Sorry, top is cos 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha, that is equal to 10 into cos 2 alpha. So q value is this one. So we'll take p 4p square. So that telling us to find the value of 4p square plus q square. Correct now. Therefore, the 4p square value will be 4 into p square. P square is 5 sin 2 alpha whole square plus q square value. Therefore, q square is equal to 10 cos 2 alpha whole square, that is equal to 5 square is 25. 25 into 4 is 100 sin square 2 alpha plus 10 square is equal to 100 cos square 2 alpha, that is equal to, if you take 100 common, sin square 2 alpha plus cos square 2 alpha, this will give me as 1, that is equal to 100. What is the value of 4p square plus q square? 4p square plus q square is equal to 100. This you understand? Take over the next question.
Yes, sir.
Now, next question is, they are telling that, okay, S is a point. S is a point 2 comma 5. S is a point 2 comma 5. There is another one point P. There is another one point P. This point is moving in a line such that its distance from the line 3x plus 4y plus 24 is equal to 0. Means S2 comma 5 is one point. There is another point P. This is moving such a way that this P to this line distance, the distance between the line P and the point P and the line is always equal to PS. This distance between this line and the point is always equal to PS. Find the locus of P. You have to find the locus of P. So first what do you mean by a distance of a line to the point? What do you mean by distance of a line to the point? What do you mean by a what is this called as a distance of a line to a point? Why class is so silent?
So is it perpendicular?
What what do you understand by the distance of a line to the point, to one point or something given a point? Hello. Okay, students, I'm asking a question to you, telling that what do you understand by a distance of a point from the line?
Perpendicular distance.
To say this one, why so much of time? Almost 3 minutes are over. To say this answer. Do you remember we derived an equation and not equation, we derived the formula of D is equal to mod of AX plus BY plus C. AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by root of A square plus B square by using the right angle triangle concept. For example, so this is my line and this is my point P x comma y. I told you can find distance like this, 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 like this. But each distance will be different. One will be big, one will be small, and so on. And we also discuss the example of you going to home. Correct, no? From school, you going to home. You always choose the which is the path, the smallest, the easiest path you choose. Same thing in straight lines also. If there is a line and if there is a point, the point will choose the shortest path that is possible only to the perpendicular. So only this distance we call it as a perpendicular distance, and that is given by D is equal to mod of AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root of A square plus B square. I don't. Hmm. Sorry to say, dear friends, I am getting fed up because after almost we have solved 120, 140 questions on straight lines. Till the very basics, this is board level concept. You still you don't know the basics of basics of the so what shall I say? Okay, we're not serious if we go to IIT. That's what I can conclude. Just simply come attend the class. Okay, sir is giving questions of previous IIT exam, previous JEE main exam. I'll write in the book. That if you want, you can download from net only. You have to subscribe one of the official channels. Once you subscribe, it will give you all the questions of previous year exams of all the IIT, JEE, AIT, by CUET, all exam question papers will get chapter wise. At least put some effort, Now, we have to, what they're telling is, they're telling that the distance of this point P to this line is equal to distance between these 2 points. So for that, what I will take is, I'll take P as my point as x comma y. It will be taken as P x comma y. And there is one more point I have got as s is equal to 2 comma 5. So first I will find the perpendicular distance as d. So I'll keep my perpendicular distance as d. So d is equal to mod of, what is my equation they're given is, my equation they're given is 3x plus 4y plus 24 is equal to 0. That will be equal to, point is x comma y, therefore 3x plus 4y plus 20 by root of 9 plus 16 is equal to 5. So much is clear. This I'll take entire mod, because here again we are getting plus or minus, no, so I'll take the entire mod. This is equal to, they're telling the distance between P and S, that is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So we will do squaring on both the side. Once we do squaring on both the side, the what is called as the modulus can be removed. So because of that reason, I'm doing squaring on both the sides. It becomes 3x plus 4y plus 3x plus 4y plus 20 whole square. So that by 25 equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 5 whole square. Half for the plus, which is equal to 3x plus 4y plus 20 whole square. Minus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Use a big bracket. Now next one, a plus b plus c whole square formula. What is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square? What is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square? About
So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc
the
plus
formula
c.
for a plus b plus c whole square.
Sir, sir,
Madam,
Kevin, sir, Kevin,
yes, I
sir,
am not here anything with this. The voice
Kevin,
is literally
So is it clear now?
A square plus B square plus B square plus B square plus C square
Plus 2 into A plus
ABC.
Sir.
Pardon, Vignesh.
Sir, I think your formula is wrong.
Oh, I have not completed the formula, man. Give some time, man.
No, sir. It in the formula we don't even get 3 ABC.
What ABC?
A square
Tell me the
plus B
formula of A
square,
square plus B square plus C square formula again.
A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, sir.
Who taught you that formula?
So it's a formula, sir. A plus B plus C plus whole square.
Google it and Google it. It's supposed to be 2 ABC, not 3 ABC.
Yes, sir.
Give some time, no? I've come here to
No,
get
sir.
my it's called as a parcel there.
Sir, we don't get 2 ABC, sir. We get 2 into AB plus
I don't know
2BC
why
plus.
some of you behave strange in the class these days. Now expand this one
Sir,
with both the thing and tell me the simplified equation.
Kevin, sir.
If you have to expand both the side here, you have to expand x square plus y square, then x minus 2 square whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Expand both the side and what is this called as uh, simplify the equation and tell me.
Kevin,
So
sir.
Vignesh is saying something.
Pardon?
Vignesh is saying something, sir.
Ma'am, his voice is breaking, ma'am. I can't hear what is he
No,
saying, and he's very speaking very low.
no, sir, his voice is clear to me, sir.
Actually, what this Bhavana Rashtra speaks, they speak very boldly, and it is very audible. His voice literally very
Okay.
feeble to me.
Okay, Vignesh, can you speak loud?
I'm speaking loud, ma'am.
Okay, what you wanted to say, let me know.
Ma'am, in the formula, sir had written wrong, ma'am. 2 ABC don't even come, ma'am, in the formula.
It comes, man. How many times I'm telling? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA plus 2ABC.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
So it will give me as 9x square plus B square is equal to 16y square plus C square is equal to 400 plus 2ABC will be 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 12 into 20 is 240, 240 into 3 is 480xy plus 2AB, that is equal to 12xy plus 2BC, 4 2 is 8, 80, 160 y plus 2CA plus 2 into 20 plus C, so that is 120x is equal to 225. This one we expand, x square plus 4 minus 2x plus y square minus plus 25 minus 10y. Now simplify this and go. So you'll get a equation in the form of what we discussed in the transformation of equations form. For as a straight line itself, we discussed second degree equation, no? That it will come. Simplify and tell me. The entire equation is on board. Simplify and tell me. Okay, can simplify and tell me as a homework. I'll give one more question as a homework. The other question is, we should find an equation of a line. Miss, we need to find one equation of a line. This line is perpendicular to. Miss, first of all, we should find one equation of the line. One equation of the line. I don't know. One equation of the line. I don't know which is this line. This line's equation I have to find out. This line, what is this called as? Perpendicular from the origin. This line is making a perpendicular from the origin with an angle of 30 degree from x-axis. This angle is 30 degree, they're telling, and which forms a triangle of area. The area of this triangle they're given is 50 by root 3 units with the axis, with the coordinate axis. Means they're telling this is my line. This line has got a perpendicular from origin, and that is making 30-degree angle. And because of this, I'm getting one triangle here. Let us say it as OAB. The area of OAB, they're telling it as 50 by root 3. So they're telling us 50 by root 3. And with given all these things, we got to find out the equation of this line. So I've got only one question as homework today. Kindly go through. And one thing is, go through the formulas and the equations. I'm telling the important chapter, at least we'll get 2 or 3 questions in the mains exam. Minimum 2 questions. That means 8 marks. In only one chapter can score 8 marks, or else you will
Kevin,
lose
sir.
it. This is
Kevin,
what I
sir.
can say. Okay, so this will conclude the class today.
Kevin, sir.
We'll meet tomorrow morning. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I did not get the weekend test result, ma'am, last week.
I'll share you today, ma'am.
Because just I want to see how they are progressing in this one. Because when we ask questions and formulas, nobody is answering. Because we should know how they are progressing. Basing on that, we can take some other steps and some other way of going about. That's the reason.
Okay, sir. Okay. I will just forward today's. I will just forward today, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Vignesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There is no the term in the formula.
Yeah, ma'am, that's what I'm saying that, but sir is not even listening to my words.
Yes, yes. I don't know what was the problem with him.